Are you thinking about a career in cybersecurity? Do you have a goal of entering this challenging field? Work as a security analyst? This is the right time. Forbes magazine published, the number of open cybersecurity jobs will reach 1.5 million by 2019. Industry has a real shortage of candidates with hands-on experience, and companies don't trust the protection of their IT assets to anyone without experience. The demand will continue to increase. According to Ransomware Mid-Year Update, statistics show cyber attacks are worse than ever. SonicWall recently released a mid-year update to their 2018 Cyber Threat Report. A 229% increase in ransomware attacks year-to-date over 2017. 12 new variants of ransomware, including the new king called GandCrab. 181.5 million attacks this year alone. That's nearly 100,000 attacks daily.
Hi, I'm Patrick Withers, CEO of Newpulse Technologies. Newpulse Technologies is a systems integration consulting company, and our Cyber Training Center has a tested program for launching a successful career in cybersecurity. Did you know that the average cost of a data breach for companies surveyed has grown to $4 million? 29% increase since 2013, according to a report from IBM and conducted by the Finemon Institute. Newpulse Technologies Cyber Training Center has designed a program that provides hands-on training in cybersecurity and teaches industry standard compliance, vulnerability assessment, security controls, security plan development, risk analysis, and the tactics, techniques, and procedures used by cyber attackers. With a minimum background in IT, you will be qualified to take our class. Our instructors have over 30 years of experience, advanced degrees in cybersecurity and computer science, and CISSP certifications. Our training provides real-world insight into the use of cybersecurity skills and the capacity to support your knowledge with hands-on training. Limited seats keep classrooms small to provide individual attention to each trainee. It is a course in 2 stages, which has been designed specifically to prepare you to achieve a job in cybersecurity by providing hands-on experience that you need. Enroll today on our website at www.nu-pulse.com/training.